Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The SLK Halo Pickleball Paddles offer a high-performance choice for players seeking superior spin, control, and consistency. Featuring a carbon fiber surface, these paddles are designed to maximize spin potential, providing an edge for players who rely on strategic shot placement. They incorporate a RevCore power polymer core, which balances power and precision, allowing for a versatile performance across different playing styles. The Halo Pro paddle prioritizes power and speed, making it ideal for aggressive players who aim to dominate with fast-paced shots. On the other hand, the Halo Control version focuses on finesse and accuracy, catering to players who value precise ball placement and defensive capabilities. This dual offering ensures there's a paddle suitable for various skill levels and strategies. Both models boast a lightweight and ergonomic design for ease of maneuverability and extended play without causing fatigue. The carbon fiber face not only enhances durability but also delivers consistent performance with every hit, ensuring reliable play during intense matches. These paddles are optimized for ultimate spin generation, making them a standout option for players looking to add extra curve and unpredictability to their shots. Additionally, the paddles provide excellent feedback, helping players refine their touch and control over the ball. Overall, the SLK Halo paddles combine cutting-edge materials and thoughtful design to cater to competitive and recreational players alike. Whether you're an advanced player seeking power and spin or a beginner looking for enhanced control and consistency, these paddles offer a premium feel and performance to elevate your game. Number 2. This USAPA-approved pickleball paddle is designed to meet official standards, making it a great choice for both recreational and competitive play. It features a durable fiberglass surface, which provides a balanced combination of power and control, making it ideal for players of all skill levels. The paddle's construction ensures consistent performance, whether you're playing casual games or participating in tournaments. The paddle includes a lightweight core, which enhances maneuverability and reduces strain during extended matches. Its fiberglass surface is engineered to optimize shot accuracy and responsiveness, helping players maintain control over their game while delivering sufficient power for offensive plays. To protect the paddle and extend its longevity, it comes with a protective cover. This not only safeguards the paddle from scratches and wear when not in use but also makes it easy to transport. Its versatility makes it suitable for both outdoor and indoor courts, catering to various playing environments. Designed for both men and women, the paddle's ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, improving control and reducing hand fatigue during intense sessions. This feature, combined with its durable yet lightweight construction, makes the paddle an excellent choice for players of all ages and skill levels. In summary, this fiberglass pickleball paddle delivers quality, durability, and performance at an accessible price. Whether you're new to pickleball or an experienced player, the paddle's thoughtful design and USAPA approval make it a reliable and versatile option for enhancing your game. Number 3. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is an all-in-one package, perfect for players seeking quality equipment. The bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 pickleball balls, and 1 carrying bag, making it a convenient and comprehensive choice for both beginners and experienced players. The paddles feature a G4 graphite face, providing a lightweight and durable surface that delivers excellent control and precision. This design is particularly suited for players who value accuracy and finesse in their game. The paddles are built with a polymer RevCore, which balances power and control, ensuring versatile performance for various playing styles. Designed in the USA, the paddles showcase Selkirk's commitment to quality and innovation. The ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable grip, reducing fatigue during extended play. This makes the paddles ideal for recreational games or competitive matches, offering a professional feel at an accessible price point. The bundle's 3 balls are durable and designed for optimal performance on both indoor and outdoor courts. Paired with the paddles, they enhance the overall gameplay experience. The included carrying bag is spacious and lightweight, making it easy to transport your gear to and from the court while keeping everything organized. In summary, the Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle provides a high-quality, user-friendly setup for players of all skill levels. With its durable graphite paddles, performance-enhancing balls, and convenient carrying bag, this bundle offers exceptional value and performance, making it a reliable choice for elevating your pickleball game. Number 4. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a premium option designed for players seeking a combination of power, control, and comfort. Featuring a graphite carbon fiber face, this paddle ensures lightweight durability while enhancing shot precision and responsiveness. Its construction makes it suitable for players who value a balanced mix of power and finesse. One of the standout features is the cushion comfort grip, which provides a secure and ergonomic hold. This grip reduces hand fatigue, allowing for extended gameplay while maintaining control over the paddle. The paddle's medium-weight design further enhances maneuverability and versatility, catering to a variety of playing styles. The Z5 series is known for its consistent performance and wide body shape, offering a larger sweet spot. This makes the paddle forgiving on off-center hits, helping players maintain accuracy during intense matches. The graphite face also contributes to better ball control, making it a great choice for strategic players. Ideal for beginners and advanced players alike, the Mod Z5 paddle meets the needs of recreational play and competitive matches. Its design combines professional-grade materials with user-friendly features, ensuring reliable performance across skill levels. In summary, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle delivers excellent durability, precision, and comfort. With its graphite carbon fiber surface, ergonomic grip, and wide-body design, this paddle is a solid choice for enhancing your pickleball experience. Whether you're mastering the basics or competing at higher levels, it offers the performance and reliability needed to elevate your game. Number 5. The Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddle is designed to deliver a balance of durability, performance, and comfort, making it ideal for players of all skill levels. Featuring a reinforced fiberglass surface, the paddle provides a responsive feel and excellent control, allowing for precise shot placement and strategic gameplay. The fiberglass construction also offers a solid mix of power and finesse, catering to a variety of playing styles. The paddle's core is made from honeycomb polypropylene, a lightweight yet durable material that enhances the paddle's strength and responsiveness. This core construction helps absorb vibrations, offering a smoother playing experience while providing consistent power for offensive and defensive shots. Designed with comfort in mind, the paddle includes an ergonomic grip that ensures a secure and comfortable hold during extended play. This reduces hand fatigue and improves maneuverability, making it suitable for recreational players and those competing in longer matches. The Joola Essentials paddle combines high-quality materials with a user-friendly design, ensuring excellent value for players looking for a reliable paddle without breaking the bank. Its lightweight build and reinforced surface make it versatile for both indoor and outdoor courts. In summary, the Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddle offers a great combination of durability, control, and comfort. With its reinforced fiberglass surface, honeycomb polypropylene core, and ergonomic grip, it is a versatile and dependable choice for enhancing your pickleball performance, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned player.